Hello everyone, this is Charlie Ong from China TEMA company. Today I'm very glad to introduce you our machine TM6000. It is a very economical and reliable machine. The machine comes with the main machine part, control system, and the hydraulic system. The vibration system. For our machine TM6000, we are using dynamic and static design vibration table. So during vibration, the dynamic part keep vibrate while the static table keep still. This can ensure all the corners of the vibration table receive same vibration force. This is very important to ensure the same height and the same strength of the concrete products. For vibration system, we're also using two sets of 9 kilowatt inverter-controlled vibration motors, which can deliver strong vibration force. This is also very important to make high-strength concrete products. Demolding system. For machine TM6000, we are using very special designed demolding system. Okay, we are using a special designed demolding beam, synchronized by two hydraulic cylinders and synchronized by two T-slope. So the demolding for the bottom mold is very fast and precise. This system is very accuracy and a low breakdown rate. The machine feeding system. We adapt double swing arm designed feeder car powered by a 3 kilowatt inverter controlled motors, which allows the material feeding very fast and smooth. Hydraulic system. 18.5 kilowatt motors can deliver strong hydraulic force, which can make the machine working very fast and rapid. Also, we're using Japanese Yukin proportional hydraulic valves, which allows the oil flow very smooth and very fast. And the well-arranged hydraulic pipes, okay, make the design of the machine, the structure of the machine, modern and well organized. For TEMA control panel, we are using stainless steel, which guarantee all the language, and the panel will not fade away after years of performance. Okay, and a big touch screen, which is very operator friendly. So it is very friendly for operation and a very smart, intelligent system. For all TEMA block machines, we are using Siemens S7 PLC control system. Everything is automatic. Siemens is an international company. It is reliable and very easy maintenance locally. And for the other electrical components, all are standard, international standard. So all our customers can find the spare parts locally, which is very easy for maintenance in the future. So if you are looking for an entry-level block machine, or you want to upgrade your machine from manual to automatic, this machine is your best choice, TM6000. Thank you.